3000 and 2000 BC, Stonehenge is one of the most mysterious ancient sites on Earth.
Some of the bigger stones at Stonehenge weigh many, many tons, and it's difficult, if not impossible, to see how people at the time could have transported them to the location. This is a time before the wheel, and yet we know that some of those bigger stones were somehow transported all the way from Wales.
If, as some believe, prehistoric man alone could not move such stones weighing up to 25 tons over a distance of 200 miles, then who or what did? The answer lies, UFO experts say, in the similarity of the Stonehenge monument and the rock formation discovered on Mars.
In looking at these structures side by side, Stonehenge and Mars, we have very specific things that are similar. 4 rock placement, 4 stones in the center, and 2 concentric circles. And the 2 concentric circles encircle the 4 stones. Now, that's very interesting that that would be like that. Does it serve some purpose in science, or is it a remarkable coincidence?
The fact that these objects do indeed look similar, one could speculate that there was an extraterrestrial component involved in both of these sites. Some theorists have speculated that Stonehenge was perhaps a place that extraterrestrial craft landed. Could this be said of Mars? We don't know.
Still, some researchers disagree.
Now, when you get down to the actual details, it's fairly obvious it isn't the same. But it is bizarre where you have circular type structure-looking objects on an alien surface, on a different planet other than Earth. Is there a logical explanation? Sure, it's just not as fun as the alien one.
Even so, most UFO investigators really believe the resemblance is significant. In fact, they go one step further. They see similarities in the formations at Stonehenge and Mars to never-before-seen satellite images of what appears to be a landing site at Area 52. The aerial image shows features in the Utah desert that mirror those of both Stonehenge and Mars.
When one does a comparison between Stonehenge, the Mars rock formation, and Area 52, there are certainly similarities. Is that a coincidence, or is there something else going on?
Does the evidence suggest that Area 52 really does function as a spaceport, as UFO researchers believe?
When you look at Stonehenge, and you look at this rock formation on Mars, and the connection maybe with Dugway having a similar type of formation, does that mean that all 3 of them are spaceports? I believe that it's possible.
If the evidence is credible, as UFO researchers believe, what else is the government possibly hiding? And what about new information from scientists that is changing the conversation about UFO sightings? Does this provide a new perspective on the government's involvement with the UFO phenomenon?